Example 1. Sean runs a factory that produces bottles. He intends to replace a piece of equipment used in his factory. That is, the conveyor belt, in 5 years' time. Sean is financially astute and knows that in 5 years' time the cost of equipment will appreciate and the equipment that he is currently utilizing will depreciate in value. So, he decides to save up now so that when the time comes to replace the conveyor belt, he does not need to suddenly arrange for a lump sum amount. He sets up a sinking fund today to fund this purchase by investing 30,000 Rand every year starting in 1 year's time. The sinking fund earns interest at 10% per annum, compounded yearly. Calculate how much money will be there in the sinking fund in 5 years' time. Let us use a timeline to summarize the given data. Sean starts investing in 1 year's time, so the investment will happen at T1. That is, the end of the first year. He further invests 30,000 Rand at T2 and T3, and so on until T5. Note that the sinking fund earns interest at 10% per annum compounded yearly. Since the payments are starting after one period and the frequency of compounding in the interest rate matches the frequency of regular payments, we can use the formula for future value annuity to determine the amount in the sinking fund after 5 years. Recall the formula for future value annuity that we derived earlier. Here, substituting the values of x, I, and n, we get F equals 183,153 Rand. Therefore, Sean will have 183,153 Rand in his sinking fund at the end of 5 years.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.